Somebody asked me, can you try to charge a battery when the charger says there's no voltage in the battery? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. I got a new camera. It is a Nikon P510 and I got a tripod to go with it. Almost professional. For the rest of this video, I'm going to go with this one for the inside shots, and I will be taking probably this GoPro or maybe the cell phone with the light. I'm not sure. Be taking that outside. So I'm going to be switching from camera to camera here, and I want to know if you see a difference between the GoPro, the Nikon, or the Samsung. Okay, we are on the Nikon. This is a Viking battery charger, 4 amp, microprocessor controlled. It says it does AGM gel, deep cycle, or standard batteries. We're going to find out. Automatic microprocessor control. Okay, high frequency charging. Let's see if we can. High frequency charging technology is over 20% more efficient, over 50% lighter than conventional charging systems. So this is a true unboxing, apparently, because I haven't opened it yet. Okay, we got a ginormous, golly, look at that thing. Owner's manual, okay, which is boring. Oh, jeez, look at that. Check this out. We got jumper cables. We've got, what's this? There's a fuse. There's a plug on the end. Jumper cables. That's good. Oh, there's more. Oh, okay. That's it for the box. Now we have a 4 amp battery charger. It is very light. I don't know if there's anything in there at all. Oh, if it doesn't work, we'll know it was empty. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, lights up. 0 volts. Now I have a camper for sale. You've probably seen in the other videos. The camper's batteries are 100% dead. I expect to find maybe a half a volt or 0 on these batteries, and we're going to see if this will bring it back to life, because the reason I bought it was this high frequency. It says high frequency on there, and it's supposed to desulfate the batteries. Okay, we're on the Samsung now. Flick this in. If you can see this or not, we're going to try it. Now this should tell us how many volts. Now 0.7 is low. So let's push some buttons and see what happens. Mode. Push and hold maybe? Nope. Okay, apparently this is one of the battery chargers that will not charge a dead battery, which kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it? Viking? I'm going to consult the manual here in a second and see if I'm doing it wrong, but there's only one button on this thing. 0.7 volts. Okay, I'm going to leave this here for a second while I go check the book and see if there's anything we can do to jumpstart that thing, because that's not good. If battery is lower than 10.5 volts, voltage will flash and the backlight will turn red, indicating the charger will automatically attempt to repair the battery for 1 hour. if you can see that or not. It has not turned red. It's still green. So let me reset this. Power reset this. 0.77 is way below 10, isn't it? Plug it back in. Turns on. It's not turning red. I'm going to check my connections one more time and then we're going to leave it. Yep, we're still green. Alright. Let's leave it for an hour, see what happens. Yep, we're still...
Many hours later.
But it's still very much green. The connections are sunk right in there. According to that book, it should have turned red. Okay, so I messed with this all day yesterday. It turned red. Okay, it said it was going to turn red for an hour in the book. Okay, after the hour, bad battery symbol will show up. It never did that. I never got a bad battery symbol. I never got, never changed to green. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe this was too big a job for this little thing. It did get really, really hot over here. When I realized it was hot over here, I decided to abort. And I unplugged everything. And then I plugged the regular camper charger in. I think it's 30 amp or something like that. It was a 0-volt battery, and doing a little clamp dance on the terminal tricked it into thinking it had something to work with, I guess. So that was the question. One of the viewers, one of you guys asked me, will this charge a 0-volt battery? And I guess it's yes. Kind of. I didn't get to charge the battery all the way up. Maybe it was too big. I don't know. Maybe it was too low. Maybe that battery's no good. We'll find out later on. But should you buy this? I don't know. It was $40. I mean, it's not a ton of money. And it did appear to put current into the battery because the lights worked after I unhooked it. So I guess I'm going to keep playing with this thing. I'm going to find another battery, maybe it isn't so bad, and see if it charges that. I should have gotten the bigger one. And if this video gets enough views, I'll go get that and we'll test that too. Because this one was, I think it was $39, and the other one was $69. If I get enough views, I will go and get it. Probably not the best review ever, but it's as honest as I can get. The manual is huge. It's easy to read, which is definitely a plus for us older gentlemen. I don't know. Maybe those batteries are no good. Maybe it's a fluke. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, I'd appreciate a little love. Click those buttons under the video. Like, share, subscribe. There's a thanks button if you want to buy me a cup of coffee. That would be great. And yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next one.